promised, I am back with the Golden Bloxburn Expert Advisor version 8.79. So we have reviewed and I have shown you the test results of this particular Expert Advisor in the previous video. If you don't see it, I will send the link of this first part in the description section of this one. So now we will compare if this Expert Advisor is actually worth testing or not. So currently I am having this Expert Advisor on my VPS $1,000 live account. So let's see the progress of this Expert Advisor after 7 days. So here is our Expert Advisor and this is how its user interface looks like. We tested it on XAUUSD gold pair with M5 time frame on a $1,000 account. For the first 2 days, we placed this Expert Advisor on this account on 17th of March and it started buying from 17th of March with different lot sizes and today is 20th of March. So within these 3 trading days, we are going to check all the history sections that this Expert Advisor has given us. So on the first 2 days, it has given me 90% profitable trades and my account size was nearly 3,500. But what happened today is disastrous. So let's see. In the news time, it gave me losses after losses. Every single transaction from here is closed with a huge amount of loss. All the losing transactions I will share. $1,510.86 of losing trade with 0.89 lot size. This is huge. This is huge. Let me show you all the other losing trades as well with 0.55 lot size, with 0.34 lot size, with 0.21 lot size, and every other losing trade was closed today. After 3 p.m. there was a news and this Expert Advisor really broke all the records and it blew the whole entire account with the equity. So I was really confident about this Expert Advisor because it was giving me 100% to 90% profitable trades. But in the news time, it did disastrous consequences. So if you want to try this Expert Advisor till now, I will share the property section and this is my input section. Do not try this Expert Advisor on a real account if you have a small account. This is the input. You can change it as much as you want, customize it according to your preferences and needs. But I'll now share what you can do with this Expert Advisor. You can go with customized settings only and go with a demo account after 2 weeks of performance. Only then, if you're confident, go for this Expert Advisor. Otherwise, it is not recommended. Do not try using the Golden Bloxburn Expert Advisor version 8.79 in your real trade. No matter how much profit this Expert Advisor gives you in the normal days, normal trading days, but in the news time, it might give you losing trades, and as much as losing trades that you might get your account blown. So if this was an entire real account, I would have lost thousands of dollars. The minimum deposit amount of this Expert Advisor is $3,000. However, it is not recommended. If you still wish to try it, it is free of cost. Just go to the official website of ours, that is forexfactory.cc. You will find our product here. Select the quantity, add to cart your product. Here is your cart section. Download your product and get started. It's developed for gold pair, so try it on gold pair only. And let us know about your trading experience with this particular Expert Advisor in the comment section. And here it is available also. You will just have to ping a single message and we will send you the file via your personal chat. And if you find any assistance, if you find any query, if you need any kind of help while using this Expert Advisor or installing it, you can contact us through this official admin section, that is Your Forex Asia. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Give this video a like, share it and subscribe our channel for more such profitable expert advisors and expert advisors honest reviews. Thank you so much. Visit again.
Additionally, we can crack or unlock any expert advisor that you provide us via our official website yoforex.net or our official Telegram group @yoforexasia. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comments, license timing or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 is higher than the MT4. Thank you.